Hey guys, what's going on? Mark here today from TST Industries, back in the garage with another video. In today's video, we are going to be installing our TST Industries mirror delete plugs on an assortment of motorcycles. These are meant to be installed on motorcycles that have a Street Fighter styling with the mirrors mounted onto the handlebars. These plugs will fit an accepting hole of 8mm to 12mm, and they are available in different colors. Today we will be installing the silver ones, but we do also have them available in black, gold, red, and blue. You'll be able to check out all of those options and more on our website. Link will be in the description below. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the installation process. It's pretty straightforward. All you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver and a wrench of some sort if you're unable to twist off the mirrors by hand. So let's go ahead and jump right in. All right, so to begin this installation process, you want to begin with the removal of your OEM mirrors. Most bikes, they all just twist off counterclockwise. Some models like the MT series of bikes from Yamaha and even the Z650, one of the mirrors is counterclockwise, so just keep that in mind. Don't try and twist them off if they're not moving, because you may be tightening them. So this is a 3-piece assembly. You have the countersunk accent ring, you have a Phillips head screw, and then you have a well nut. And this well nut works by expanding and creating a little bit of a mushroom effect when you tighten it down. You can see it starting to mushroom a tiny bit, but that's essentially what's going to happen inside this accepting geometry. It's just going to expand to the point where it will catch and remain seated. So you want to go ahead and seat that in and take your tool and start tightening it down. That's it. This will hold up against normal road vibrations. And please note, when installing this product, you obviously cannot reinstall your mirrors. These are not an accent ring for your OEM mirrors. These are meant to replace and plug off the holes left behind when removing your OEM mirrors. All right, so now that that side is complete, you want to come over to the opposite side of the motorcycle. And as I mentioned earlier, there are models like the Yamaha MT line and this Z650 where one of the mirrors spins opposite of each other. So you can see here I'm spinning this mirror and it's moving freely. Nothing's getting tight and it's removed. But now we're left with this nice little nub inside that accepting hole, and we need to remove that. Now, realistically, you can install the mirror plug kit in there, but it does look a little funky. So this is where you want to grab your wrench, or if you have a socket, any sort of tool that can grasp onto this, and you want to go ahead and remove it at that point. It breaks loose pretty easily. And voila. Now we can go ahead and install the mirror plug on this side. And I just want to show you the entire assembly. If it's not fitting in, if it's a little tight, you can actually just remove the screw completely. Place the well nut in there first. Then you can place the anodized hardware and the bolt in. You want to go ahead and grab your Phillips head screwdriver. Tighten it down. Make sure you're applying pressure. And now you want to go ahead and secure it in the accepting hole. And this isn't a bottom out nut, so you can continue tightening and tightening and tightening. All it's going to do is continue expanding the mushroom on the well nut. So once it's nice and secure, just stop. You don't want to tear that rubber boot. And there you go. This installation is now complete and you're ready to ride. All right, and as you see, this installation is complete. It was very straightforward. And again, these are meant to be installed on mirror accepting holes that are 8mm to 12mm. We will have an applications table listed on the product page on our website, tstindustries.com. The link is also in the description. If you don't see your bike listed, there's a chance we just haven't gotten it in-house yet, but it does, again, fit mirror accepting holes from 8mm to 12mm. So if you have any questions or concerns, you can always just measure them out yourself. And if they fall within that range, you should be all good to go. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, you can leave them in the comment field below. Be sure to check out our website for this and all other products we have available for your bike, tstindustries.com. This has been Mark from TST. Catch you guys next time.